Hello guys, welcome in the video. I have been doing projects on Arduino for quite a while now, and an example is micro weather monitoring system which can display temperature, humidity, dust density, atmospheric pressure, gas level, time and date right on the LCD and also sent to the smartphone through Bluetooth. I have also posted a tutorial on how to make a smartphone controlled robot which is Arduino based project. To use Arduino in various projects, we need to program it, and for that we need to have the Arduino IDE installed on our computer. We will learn how to do it in a easy and in a 4-minute video. One of my sister asked me to do a video on it, so here it is. Open up your browser and type www.arduino.cc in your browser and hit enter. It will directly take you to the main homepage of Arduino. If you are a beginner, then reading the articles on its homepage is highly recommended. Anyway, moving on to download Arduino IDE, click on the software and click on downloads. It will take you to another page. Where you should click on Windows zip file, and again a next page pops up in which you could donate to help the program to develop. But as we all have very light pockets, let's skip this and click just download. If you are just lazy as me, then you could skip all the previous steps and just click on the link provided in the video description to reach here. Here be patient because it could take even more than 10 minutes depending on your internet connection. After waiting for nearly half an hour, the file was finally downloaded. Locate your file and you will see that it is in a zip folder. So you need to unzip it just by right clicking it and selecting extract all. Here again you need to be patient and wait until it finishes. The time which it takes completely depends on your computer performance. After that, open the unzip folder and then click on the Arduino.exe. The Arduino IDE will open and you need to provide all the access which it requests. And you are done. Thanks for watching this video guys. Do like, share and write your thoughts below in the comment section, and consider subscribing my channel to keep the future videos coming. Bye bye.